Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like and consider subscribing for more content. If you already subscribed, thanks for it. In this video, we are going to learn one more common mistake in Go language. You see that in this program, nothing is wrong. We have a byte B. We are initializing from 250 and reaching to 256 and try to execute this for loop. And you see it's a very simple code. But if I run it, I have a overflow byte. Constant 256 overflow byte. Why it is showing this? Because the range of byte is maximum is 255 and it is 256. So this B, after the last execution, it become 256, but the maximum range is 255. If I do this like this, it will run without any problem. But if I do 256, so it is an error, you see. So by mistaken, if we take byte, and it is, I am giving example on byte only, but if you take integer also and the range of the integer is reach out of this, then it will show such kind of error that overflow byte, constant 256 overflow byte. So this is the error. Now how we can solve this? Only one thing, that you just keep the value less than 255. Otherwise you have to take a int like this, save it and run it. Simple. So two options you have. First, keep the value smaller than the byte range. Otherwise take the int. So such kind of problem may come. Remember, constant 256 overflow byte maybe come for integer if the range of the integer is exceed. So that's all in this video. I think you have learned one more thing in Go language to be a master in Go language. So if you really like this video, share it, like it, and consider this channel to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video.